Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the project and getting files into Subtitle Pro. Open a new project, then import your video and any transcript or SRT you already have. This saves time. Once done, verify frame rate and resolution match the video. Mismatches break timing. If your transcript has timecodes, enable auto-sync so lines snap to video timestamps automatically. Make sure to set language and encoding to avoid garbled characters before moving on. You now refine timing and the actual text. Use the waveform and playback controls to move start and end times in 0. 1 second increments. This gives natural reading flow. Split or merge subtitle blocks so each line stays concise. Aim under 42 characters per line for readability. Once timing is clean, apply style presets for font, size, color, and safe margins to ensure no content is cut off on TV or mobile. Make sure to preview full playback to catch pacing issues. You finish by exporting and running final checks. Choose the correct export format, SRT or VTT for separate captions, or burned in MP4 if you need permanent subtitles, and set UTF-8 encoding to preserve characters. Once exported, play the file from start to end and spot-check several scenes at different volumes to confirm readability and sync. If subtitles drift, recalibrate by adjusting a global timecode offset or resync keyframes. That single tweak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.